So guys, for the first step, you're going to head over to search and type in registry editor. Click on it and then click on yes. Now once you're on this, you can follow everything I'll be doing up here. So first we're going to expand HK local machine, and then we're going to expand system, and then we're going to expand current control set, and then we're going to expand control, and then you're going to scroll down a little bit and then click on the class folder. Now once you click on the class folder, you want to expand it, and then you want to click on edit and then click on find. Then you want to head over into the description. I've left this down below. So for the keyboard registry value, you just want to copy and paste this. So I'm just going to copy this, click on find next, and now this folder should come up. And now once you're on this, you should have something that's called Upperfilters. If you do not have it, I'm just going to delete it real quick. So if you do not have Upperfilters, then you want to right click and then click on new and then click on multi-string value. Now I'm going to head back into the notepad, and now you want to set the name as Upperfilters. I'm just going to copy and paste this as the name. So I'm going to right click on this, click on rename, and then paste this, Upperfilters. And now you want to double click on Upperfilters. You want to put in kbdclass. You could either type it in or just copy and paste. This will all be down below in the description. And then click on OK. And then click on OK again. And now to resolve the mouse problems, on the left hand side you want to scroll up, and then you want to click on class again, click on edit, and then click on find. And then you want to go back to the notepad, and then you want to copy and paste this registry key. Just going to paste it right here, and then click on find next, and now this should come up. You want to do the same thing. You should have an Upperfilters folder. If you do, then you want to double click on it and type in Mouclass. But if you don't have it, I'm just going to delete it to not confuse you guys. And now you want to right click and then click on new and then click on multi-string value. So I'm just going to right click on it, click on rename, and then type in Upperfilters. And now you want to double click on this and you want to type in Mouclass. Click on OK. And now you just want to restart your computer, and then the problem should be fixed.